Welcome to an insightful journey on how to earn respect, even if you have a quiet demeanor. In a world that often celebrates extroversion, being a quiet individual can sometimes lead to feelings of being overlooked or undervalued. However, today we're here to empower you with proven strategies that will help you command respect and leave a lasting impact, all while staying true to your authentic self. In this video, we'll dive into actionable tips that emphasize the strength of quiet confidence. Contrary to popular belief, you don't need to be the loudest voice in the room to earn respect. Instead, we'll explore how your unique qualities and traits can become your greatest assets. So if you're ready to harness the power of quiet strength and make people respect you for who you are, let's jump right in. 10. Celebrate your achievements. Amidst your quiet nature, it's crucial not to let your accomplishments go unnoticed. While you might be more inclined to keep your achievements low-key, it's essential to strike a balance between humility and self-assuredness. When you accomplish something, whether big or small, take a moment to acknowledge it, even if just within yourself. This self-recognition isn't about boasting, it's about acknowledging your hard work and dedication. Furthermore, don't hesitate to share your successes with others when appropriate. This doesn't mean you need to broadcast your achievements to the world, but sharing your wins can provide others with insights into your capabilities. It demonstrates that despite your quiet disposition, you possess the drive, skills, and determination necessary to accomplish your goals. Embracing and sharing your accomplishments reinforces your self-esteem, which naturally commands respect from those around you. Remember, celebrating your achievements is not an act of arrogance. It's an affirmation of your growth and progress. By recognizing your efforts, you send a clear message to others that you value your contributions and expect them to do the same. This simple practice can go a long way in fostering a positive perception of you among your peers, colleagues, and acquaintances. 9. Consistency in character. Building respect involves cultivating trust, and trust is nurtured through consistency. Be true to your values and principles across all situations. When people observe your unwavering character, they will naturally respect you for your integrity. Remaining genuine and authentic, regardless of the circumstances, sets a strong foundation for earning the respect of those around you. 8. Humility and openness. Humility is a powerful trait that can command respect. Embrace the idea that you don't have all the answers and be open to learning from others. There's no need to pretend to know everything. By admitting your limitations and showing a willingness to evolve, you not only gain respect for your humility, but also inspire others to see you as approachable and eager to improve. 7. Lead by example. Lead by example by consistently demonstrating dedication, commitment, and a strong work ethic. Rather than relying solely on words, let your actions do the talking. Whether you're in your personal or professional life, make it a point to consistently showcase responsibility and reliability. This means showing up on time, meeting deadlines, and exceeding expectations whenever possible. When people witness your consistent efforts, they naturally begin to hold you in high esteem. Your actions become a reflection of your character and values, and this authenticity shines through. Colleagues, friends, and acquaintances will start to recognize your reliability and integrity, leading them to naturally respect your contributions. This approach not only helps you stand out, but also establishes you as someone others can depend on. Remember, leading by example doesn't require grand gestures. Even small, consistent actions can have a significant impact over time. Your commitment to your tasks and your willingness to go the extra mile will not go unnoticed, ultimately earning you the respect you deserve. 6. Set boundaries. Respect begins with how you treat yourself. Establishing and maintaining healthy boundaries is crucial. Clearly communicate your limits and preferences with confidence. This shows that you value your own well-being and that you have a healthy self-respect. People notice and appreciate when you assertively advocate for yourself, and it encourages them to treat you with the respect you deserve. 5. Nonverbal communication. Your body language and nonverbal cues can be a powerful tool in conveying confidence and authority. Stand tall, maintain good posture, make consistent eye contact, and offer firm handshakes. These nonverbal signals communicate that you are self-assured and in control. Even when you're not speaking, your nonverbal communication can command respect and attention. 4. Embrace your expertise. Quiet individuals often possess a depth of knowledge in specific areas. Leverage this expertise to your advantage. Share your insights and knowledge when relevant. Whether it's during a discussion, a project, or a decision-making process, your contributions as a subject matter expert are valuable. Sharing your expertise demonstrates that you have a unique perspective to offer and can lead to a higher level of respect from peers and colleagues. 3. Thoughtful communication. Your ability to communicate effectively can be a game changer in how others perceive you. While you may not be the most talkative person in the room, the words you do choose to share can leave a lasting impact. When you decide to speak up, make sure your words are well thought out and purposeful. Instead of participating in small talk, opt for meaningful conversations that add depth to the discussion. By offering insights, ideas, or solutions that genuinely contribute to the topic at hand, you're showing that your words hold value. In a world where words are often thrown around without much consideration, your intentional communication stands out. People will come to recognize that when you speak, it's worth paying attention. Thoughtful communication demonstrates your depth of understanding, critical thinking skills, and genuine interest in engaging with others on a meaningful level. This elevates the respect others have for your opinions and viewpoints, regardless of how often you choose to express them. 2. Active listening. Active listening is a potent tool for garnering respect, allowing you to build meaningful connections. By genuinely showing interest in others and thoughtfully responding, you not only establish yourself as an empathetic individual, but also cultivate an environment of mutual understanding. When people perceive that their thoughts and feelings are valued, they naturally hold a higher regard for your attentive and empathetic nature. This approach creates a positive dynamic that fosters respect and admiration from those around you. Active listening transcends words, forming a bridge that connects you to others in a profound way, showcasing your capacity to comprehend and acknowledge perspectives beyond your own. Through this practice, you exemplify the strength of quiet confidence while fostering a sense of mutual respect and consideration. 1. Confidence from within. At the heart of earning respect lies a foundation of self-respect. Embrace your quiet disposition with unwavering confidence, recognizing the inherent value it holds. Cultivating a robust self-image becomes pivotal in commanding respect from others. By embracing who you are, acknowledging your unique strengths, and radiating self-assurance, you emit an aura of confidence that naturally garners respect. This internal sense of self-worth serves as a guiding light, allowing you to navigate social situations with authenticity and assurance. As you exude this quiet confidence, others will take note of your self-assured demeanor, fostering an environment of mutual respect. Remember, confidence from within is the bedrock upon which you can build genuine connections and command the respect you deserve. As we wrap up this insightful exploration of how to make people respect you if you're a quiet individual, remember that respect is a reflection of your authenticity, self-assuredness, and consistent actions. Your quiet strength holds immense power, and you possess the ability to make a significant impact on your surroundings. We hope these strategies empower you to navigate social interactions with newfound confidence. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content on personal growth and self-improvement. Until next time, embrace your quiet nature as a source of strength and use these strategies to command respect and make your mark in the world.